Welcome to Do It Yourself Travel Plan, videocast brought to you by Tip Weller. This series of videocast will provide you information about self-executive plans for a person or a family without the involvement of any tour operator.
And today's videocast is about visiting Naran and Kagan. The starting point for this trip will be Rawalpindi. You can reach Rawalpindi by coach, by air, or you can also ride on a train to Rawalpindi. For how to reach Rawalpindi, check my other videocast by the title How to Reach Rawalpindi. It is better to reach Rawalpindi a day or two before starting your trip toward Naran. On day 1 of your trip, wake up early in the morning, have breakfast and collect your luggage. This is the day from when your trip to Kagan will begin. Hire a taxi and go to Pir Wadhai near Mandi More, where you can ride a coaster, highest van, bus or a car to reach any part of Pakistan. Buy tickets till Mansehra. From Mansehra, you have to travel further on another transport. The highest van or coaster will cost you approximately 250 rupees per person till Mansehra. From Rawalpindi, you will be traveling on some part of the famous Karakoram highway. Journey toward Mansehra itself is very adventurous. Since this part of Pakistan is mountainous, you will be ascending up the hills, crossing many small towns, rivers and green forests. If you like my video, remember to click on the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting do-it-yourself travel plans. After nearly 4 hours of ride, the coaster will drop you at Mansehra. Mansehra is a small city situated between the high mountains. It has a wonderful natural beauty and extraordinary surroundings. You should reach Shogran before evening, so do not stop at Mansehra. From Mansehra, you can either hire a car or a jeep to reach Shogran. The car will cost you nearly 3000 rupees till Naran and jeep will cost you 5000 rupees approximately. Jeep will be uncomfortable but would be a better choice as to visit Sri and Pai Meadows from Shogran, as that track can only be covered by jeep. On the way, you can ask your car or jeep driver to stop at Afshar Hotel and Restaurant at Kiwai, and there you can either have lunch or just tea and snacks. Shogran is a hill station situated in Kagan Valley, and you can reach there in 2 hours. There are many budget and luxury hotels in Shogran. Get a room, place your luggage and roam around the beautiful surrounding. Get up early in the morning, as today you have to visit Sri and Pai Meadows and reach Naran as early as possible. If you have arrived Shogran by jeep, then you can ride that jeep till Sri and Pai Meadows. But if you have hired a car from Mansehra, then you have to hire a jeep from Shogran to visit Sri and Pai Meadows, and this will cost you extra 2000 rupees. After spending some time at Sri and Pai Meadows, start your journey toward Naran. Till Kiwai you will be traveling on the same route through which you reached Shogran. You can have a small break at Kiwai and continue your journey toward Naran. You can also stop at some riverside restaurant for a lunch or just to dip your feet in river Kunha. The Kunha River, with its crystal clear water from the glaciers and the famous orange and pink trout fish, passes through this valley and is considered the most prominent feature of this valley. The route to Naran is stunning and passes through the most beautiful valley of Kagan. The valley is also famous for its pine forest, alpine meadows, crystal clear lakes and cold water streams. After nearly 2 hours of drive from Kiwai, you will reach Naran. As you have to visit Saiful Muluk Lake today, immediately get a room, place your luggage and hire a jeep to visit Saiful Muluk. You will find many jeeps along the main roads of Naran. They will cost approximately 2500 rupees for a return trip from Saiful Muluk. The road to Saiful Muluk is little rough but astonishing. On one side of the road is high mountain ranges and other side is the deep valley with coursing river. You can stop at different locations to capture the scenic beauty of the area in your camera. Situated at the height of 10,000 feet, Saiful Muluk is the most beautiful lake in Kagan Valley. Offering a splendid view of the peak of Malika Parbat, this lake is a water source of river Kunhar. The jeep will provide you nearly 1 hour of stay at the lake and then return you back to Naran. It is better that you book a jeep for tomorrow's trip in advance so that you do not have to waste your time looking for a jeep in the morning. At night, roam around the Naran Bazaar, have a nice dinner and a good night's sleep. Wake up for the beautiful morning at Naran. Have your breakfast and ride on the jeep for today's trip. On day 3, you will be traveling to Lalazar, Batakundi, Jhalkhat, Payal Lake, Lolusur Lake and the famous Babusar Pass. You will be traveling on the most astonishing route of this region, where you can observe the snow-covered mountains, lush green forest, grassy lands and waterfalls. You will see many waterfalls on the way, but a 3-step waterfall at Batagundi is most amazing. You can stop there for a photo shoot before continuing your journey toward Lalazar again. At Batakundi, the jeep will take a right turn and now will be climbing up on the mountain towards Lalazar. After a little rough but magnificent ride, you will reach Lalazar in approximately 2 hours. At the height of 10,500 feet, Lalazar is most beautiful meadow of Kagan Valley. The Lalazar is surrounded by fir and pine forest, the snow-covered mountains, and the Kunhar river that flows below in the valley can also be seen from this place. After spending a wonderful time at this magnificent place, ride the jeep again and continue your journey toward Babusar. Climbing down on the same route by which you reach Lalazar, your journey will start again on Naran Babusar Road at Batakundi. On the way toward Babusar, you can stop for a tea break at Jhalkhat, another very stunning spot on this route. Take some photo shoots and start your journey again. Nearby Jhalkhat, there is also a lake by the name Pyala Lake, known for its shape resembling to a bowl. Ask your jeep driver to stop there for some photo shots too. Few kilometers after Jhalkhat, you will stop at another famous lake of Kagan Valley, the Lolusar Lake. At about 11,000 feet, it is primary headwaters of Kunhar River. With mirror-like water reflecting the surrounding snow-capped Lolusar mountain, it is believed to be the biggest lake in Kagan Valley. As you would be ascending toward Babusar Pass, the weather would be getting colder and colder, so remember to keep warm clothes with you. Ascending up the mountains and crossing beautiful surroundings, you will reach the Babusar Pass after nearly 2 hours of drive from Batakundi. Wander around the Babusar Pass, have some snacks and tea while viewing the beautiful surrounding. Babusar Top near Babusar Pass is the highest point in Kagan Valley at the height of about 13,700 feet. You can climb up to the Babusar Top for the magnificent view of the region. In clear weather, you can even sight the Rakaposhi and Naga Parbat mountain from this spot. The weather at Babusar Pass is always cold and windy and has frequent snowfall and rain all around the year. And in winters, this pass becomes completely blocked due to heavy snowfall. Now start your return journey toward Naran. You will be traveling on the same magnificent road and can stop at some waterfalls for photo shoots. In about 3 hours, you will reach Naran. Tomorrow you have to return to Pindi. It is better that you book a car in advance for tomorrow. Either you can book the car for your complete journey till Rawalpindi, this would be a better option, or book the car till Mansehra and from Mansehra ride on the coaster or highest till Pindi. Roam around the Naran Bazaar, have your dinner, pack your luggage for tomorrow's journey and have a nice sleep. Wake up early in the morning, have a nice breakfast, and if you have booked the car in advance, start your journey toward Rawalpindi. In about 7 hours of magnificent drive, you will reach Rawalpindi. This finishes your 4 days tour to the beautiful valley of Naran and Kagan. Either you can spend a day or two in Rawalpindi or Islamabad or return to your hometown on the next day. If you like my video, remember to click on the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting do-it-yourself travel plans.